Well, I'm Louise and I'm the treatment coordinator here at Confidental Smiles. I will guide you through the process from start to finish. So if it means that you want to come in and have a consultation with me before the dentist, you might be nervous or just generally want to know information about your treatment options. The first step would be when the patient comes into the practice. We'll come in, they can come in and have a chat with me first. We'll fill out medical forms, get to know one another if we haven't already on the telephone, go through some options, talk them through what the dentist will do in the consultation that they're just about to have. Once we've gone through that process in the dentist chair, we normally go back into my little consultation room and I'll ask some questions. We'll go through the treatment plan and the stages, and if they want to go ahead there and then I'll book appointments with them. What I like the most about helping patients is seeing how they've overcome being nervous, or quite often it's more embarrassment. People don't like to smile in photos and show their teeth. They're mainly embarrassed. So I know that once they've gone through the journey, how happy they're going to be. So I get a little bit excited about knowing that that's going to happen and explaining to them how it's going to happen and what they're going to achieve. And at the time, they just can't envisage it, but I know they will. So I know from the get-go that it's going to be amazing, but seeing them realise that I was telling the truth and that they're going to be really happy at the end of the treatment. I think Confidental's different because we do live up to our calm and caring logo. The practice has been here 55 years, so that says enough to me. We know the patients really, really well. We obviously have a lot of regular patients that have been coming to us for a really long time. I think people associate dentists with being scary, and we're quite the opposite. We're really, really relaxed, us and the dentists, and a really comfortable, relaxing environment. Nobody really wants to come to the dentist. But I do like seeing people at the end achieve something that they didn't think they would be able to. Treatment's affordable here at Confidental because we do make it more cost effective for the patient. We know that implants are expensive, but the reason for that is that we use the best technology and the best products. We can make it affordable monthly for people, hence why we offer a finance plan. We do anything up to 5 years to make it nice and affordable for patients. My advice would be to anyone that's looking to book a consultation is go ahead for it. As soon as you start, you'll realise you were worrying about nothing. We've been open 50 plus years, we know what we're talking about, we're really, really relaxed. You can tell that we're really warm and welcoming from the minute that you come in, so there is nothing to worry about, and I promise it'll all be worth it.